Hello, and welcome to another Open Data Portal product tutorial video. The Open Data Portal is a centralized platform that empowers users to discover and easily extract USPTO data in one place for free. In this video, we'll explore the ODP's bulk data directory. The new bulk data directory has the same data as in the original BDSS directory, just better organized so it's better to find and download the datasets that you want. With that, let's begin. You can access the bulk data directory by either using the navigation menu or just clicking Explore Bulk Data Directory link in the home page. At the top of the bulk data directory, we have the title and links to other pages of the site. We also have the bulk data product chart and the bulk data descriptions. The bulk data product chart lets you know what file format is in each bulk data directory, when each directory is updated, and what is contained in each data product. The bulk data descriptions is an XML file that contains all descriptions of the bulk data products. Below that is the bulk data product cards, which lets you know the file format of the bulk data directory, when each directory was last updated, and what is contained in each data product. If you want to download the latest version of a particular dataset, just click the blue Download Latest Release button that's at the bottom right of each card. On this page, you can also search by the title of the dataset or directory using the search bar at the top, or you can filter the information using the side filters. You can also use the data from here to power your next machine learning project that could provide tremendous value to the patent and trademark industry. Let's say I want to search for patent official gazettes. The official gazette for patents is published weekly in electronic form and contains bibliographic, front page text, a representative claim, and a drawing, if applicable, of each patent issued that week. To find patent official gazettes, I'll just plug it into the search box above, press enter, and there you go. In order to view a list of all bulk data files within a particular dataset, you click its title. Within the directory, you have a list of all the data files, the date that they were updated, and the size of the individual file. You can also filter between release dates using the filter feature here. Each dataset is downloadable by clicking its title. We also offer quick links to related datasets on the right, as well as sample code. As you can see, bulk data is very similar to bulk data storage system, or the BDSS system, just better organized so that you can easily find what you need. If you want more information on the bulk data directory and how it compares to the legacy BDSS system, visit the Open Data Portal, or ODP, site and check out our bulk data storage system, or BDSS, in our FAQs page. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at data@uspto.gov.